Hi everyone, it's Chloe here, and I have some exciting news. Our channel Viral Daily English has just reached 2 subscribers. Thank you so much for watching, listening, and learning with me every week. Your comments, your messages, your smiles, they mean the world to me. I read every single one, and I truly feel like we're growing and learning together. I love you all so much, and I'm really grateful for this warm, kind community we've built. So today, to celebrate this little milestone, I want to share a new story. A story about kindness, something we all need in this busy modern world. It's a simple, gentle story that will help you practice daily English conversation, hear real life expressions, and feel a little bit of warmth in your heart. All right, everyone, are you ready? Let's start our story. It's 7 in the morning. The air smells fresh, the sky is soft blue. People hurry down the street with coffee cups and sleepy faces. I walk beside Ava, my colleague. She looks perfect. Shiny shoes, neat hair, sharp eyes, but her face shows no smile.
Traffic again. I hate mornings.
Oh, come on. Maybe the city is just waking up too.
No, Chloe. The city is lazy. I have a meeting in 30 minutes.
A small boy stumbles and drops his things. Oh no, poor boy. Let's help him.
Seriously? It's not our problem.
Just 1 minute. It's okay. Be careful next time.
You waste time for strangers.
Maybe time isn't wasted when we use it for kindness.
Kindness doesn't pay my bills.
We reach the cafe.
1 cappuccino, no sugar.
Good morning. How are you today?
I'm good, thank you.
You even talk to strangers now.
It feels good to smile. You should try.
Smiling doesn't fix my day. You're too soft, Chloe. People will take advantage of you.
Maybe. But maybe they just need someone to care.
Bless you.
Are you okay?
Yes, thank you, Chloe.
This is crazy. You'll save the whole city at this rate. Oh.
Maybe that's not so bad.
You really believe helping random people makes the world better? Well,
I believe it makes me better.
Thank you, girls.
You're welcome.
don't push it. I just didn't want people staring.
We walk on.
You really live like this every day?
I try. It makes me calm.
I don't get it. The world isn't kind to me.
Then maybe it needs to see kindness through you. Crystal doesn't trust kindness. Maybe she never saw it for real. We finish our coffee and head toward the office. The street is louder now.
We're late. My boss will scream at me.
We can still make it. Let's take the shortcut.
Oh no! My card, my phone, my bag opened. Someone dropped them.
Let me help you.
Oh, thank you. You don't have to.
It happens to everyone.
That was strange.
Why strange?
They helped me and didn't even know me. I didn't ask.
Kindness doesn't wait for permission. She walks quietly for a moment.
I used to think helping people was a waste of time. Everyone just looks out for themselves. That's what my father always said.
Maybe he was just trying to protect you.
Maybe, but now I'm not sure. You always seem calm, Chloe. Like nothing can make you angry.
I do get angry. I just learned to stop before I hurt someone with it.
How?
By helping. When you do something good, even small, anger doesn't stay long.
I wish I could feel that.
Start small.
Thank you, miss. My hands aren't what they used to be.
It's okay. Take care.
That felt different. Like I wasn't just passing by.
Kindness works both ways. You give and you receive. I see a small light in her. Change doesn't happen loudly. It starts quietly in ordinary moments.
We're really late now.
Then let's walk faster. But don't forget the small things.
You mean drop my bag again?
Maybe hold it tight. But keep your heart open.
You talk like a book.
A happy book.
I'm not promising anything, but maybe I'll try.
That's all kindness needs. A try. After work, the sun turns golden as we walk to the bus stop.
I'm tired.
Me too. But it's a good kind of tired, right?
Maybe my feet hurt.
Hungry?
Starving.
At the food stand?
Oh no, my wallet's gone.
Are you okay?
I think I lost my wallet. I can't pay for this. Well,
It's okay, I'll pay.
really? Thank you. I'll pay you back.
No need. Just help someone else next time.
You have no idea how much this means.
Don't say anything.
I wasn't going to. I just did what you do.
No. You did what you wanted to do. That's better. It felt strange for her, but in a good way.
You sound like a poet.
Maybe kindness is the best kind of poetry.
There you go, hero. Hold it tight this time. You saved another one.
Don't start.
I didn't say anything.
But you were thinking it.
Maybe. This morning I thought you were crazy helping strangers. Now, maybe crazy isn't so bad.
Welcome to the club.
I still don't trust people completely.
You don't have to. Just choose to be kind anyway. That's the secret. You don't need to change the world. Just make it a little softer.
Chloe, thank you for not giving up on people like me.
No one is too late to be kind. One day, one good deed. That's all it takes. Crystal didn't become perfect today. None of us do. But kindness stays. It tiptoes from one person to another, like light across windows at night. Thank you for spending this day with us. If this story made you smile, please like, share, and subscribe. And tell me in the comments, what's one kind thing you did today?